Today on COC, we're going to be doing some wire management. So, here are some of the wires we're going to be taking care of today. We have some hanging in the cab. We have some hanging down underneath our switch panel. And come underneath here, we have some down the firewall. And we have some underneath. This is under the dash before. Under the dash after. Firewall before. Firewall after. Underneath before. After, underneath. Cab before. Cab after. Tucking wires isn't necessarily the most fun thing to do, but it's necessary for a quality installation. If you found this video to be helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye!